Ingredients: 1 kilogram mince meat, 660 milliliters of water, 1 cup of cooking oil, 2 medium tomatoes, 2 medium onions, 1 clove of garlic, 1 small knob of ginger, 1 tablespoon of salt to just to taste, 1½ tablespoons red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 4 to 5 small cinnamon sticks, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon fenugreek dried leaves. Add the mince meat in the handy. Add the tomatoes, onions, ginger and garlic. Then add the salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin seeds and cinnamon sticks. Then add 660 milliliters water, mixing thoroughly. Cover the handy and let cook for 40 to 45 minutes until no water remains. Mix thoroughly. Once no water remains, add 1 cup of cooking oil. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes with the lid on the handy. Mix thoroughly, then add the dry coriander, garam masala and dried fenugreek leaves. Cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. Once fully cooked, add some fresh coriander, stir thoroughly. Your dish is now ready. You can serve with chapatis, parathas, boiled rice, bread or naan.